You are now on the fourth video and you will slowly start to feel like a banker. Why? Because now we will buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, and sell altcoins. You are currently in that video. In other words, in this video, I will explain how to trade cryptocurrencies. Let's get started with our video. In our previous video, I explained how to open a Bitcoin account and created a BinanceTR account. In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin and how to buy altcoins. I will explain how we can buy digital crypto dollars, namely USDT, and I will talk about the key points of using BinanceTR. Now, we are explaining crypto step by step in a way that even those who don't understand it all can follow through a video. How is it? It's going well with the video explanation, isn't it? Isn't video such a wonderful tool? Now, if you're ready, let's move to our mobile screen. I opened the BinanceTR app on my phone. In the previous video, you had 100 teraliters and I increased that amount. I sent Turkish lira from where to my BinanceTR account? I sent it via mobile banking. Very convenient and took me just a few minutes. You still belong to BinanceTR and you can also sign up via the link below. This way, you get a discount on the commission. Now we have 1400 Turkish lira and we will use it for trading. Let's take a look at the general use of BinanceTR. There are menus below. You see the main screen here. It shows newly listed items, top gainers, top losers, and those with the highest volume in 24 hours. Next, we have the markets, friends. I will explain the markets to you. There is a difference between Turkish lira and USDT. You will learn about this. We will start with Turkish lira first. There is a buy-sell section and a wallet section. The wallet shows how much assets we have. For example, I usually hide zero balances here and see this. Right now, I only have Turkish lira. Now I clicked on the market section again, and look above, it progresses as favorite TR USDT. I selected the TR section. Now what am I going to buy, friends? Look, there's a Bitcoin to TR pair. I clicked on it. First, let's talk about the pairs we frequently use. A pair means this. Today, I will give Turkish lira and buy Bitcoin. We call this a pair. So, when I buy Bitcoin in exchange for Turkish lira, I call it the Bitcoin TR pair. I clicked on favorite at the top right. Let's go back again. Now look, I will refresh my favorites here. The Bitcoin TR pair is visible. I clicked on Bitcoin TR and there's a buy-sell option below. First, we'll look at buying. Right now, the price of Bitcoin against the Turkish lira is 2,127,694 teraliters. I wonder what the price of Bitcoin will be against the Turkish lira while you are watching this video. I clicked on the lower part and this screen appeared. This is our order book. It's also called the board. We can see buy orders and sell orders entered here. And on the side, look, there's a buy and a sell. I'll show the buy first. It tells me I have 1426 Turkish lira available. So, you currently have 1426 Turkish lira available in your wallet. And there are actually three types of orders that we need to learn about. Limit, market, stop limit. Explaining the market. We are going to make a purchase from the market. We are going to make a purchase from the market. I have 1400 Turkish lira. Look, it asks me at what percentage I want to trade with my 1400 Turkish lira. Let's say, friends, I will trade at 25%. When I want to buy from the market, this happens. You see the screen here, right? I want to buy on the screen, so my order gets executed directly from the lowest of the sellers, which are written in red. Look, I pressed buy. I don't have any open orders. I'm going back to the wallet again. Look, I only had Turkish lira a moment ago, but I refreshed it. Now I have 380 Turkish lira worth of Bitcoin, and I also have 1043 Turkish lira, friends. I went back to the buy and sell section. The buy-sell screen has opened. Market means this. It means buy for me instantly under market conditions, quickly, and the commission is slightly higher. There is a very small difference. Now let's also look at the limit. In the limit order, if the current price is 2,126,000 Turkish lira, I want to buy if it drops to 1950 lira. It asks how much you want to buy. I want to buy 300 lira worth. If Bitcoin drops to 1950 Turkish lira, I will buy 300 Turkish lira worth of Bitcoin. I said buy, but my order didn't execute immediately. That's because Bitcoin needs to drop to that price. And look down, a buy order has been placed on the Bitcoin TR pair there. It is a buy order that has not yet been executed. If Bitcoin drops to 1950 Turkish lira, I will buy 300 Turkish lira worth and my order will be executed. And I return to my wallet. I see that I still have 1043 Turkish lira, and here is my 380 Turkish lira worth of Bitcoin. Why? Because my order didn't go through. I went back to the buy-sell screen. You can cancel this at any time. I pressed the cancel button. It was 750 Turkish lira. Let's refresh. Back to 1043 teraliters. So whenever you place an order, that money is essentially blocked and you basically can't really use it, essentially, until the order is cancelled. Now what did we see? We saw how to buy Bitcoin against the Turkish lira, or buy it if it reaches my target price. I have some Bitcoin, let's sell it, friends. Let's look at the sell section. Look, it bought. I went back to the sell section. There are orders again. Do I want to sell at market price? Do I want to sell at limit price? You will decide this. I went to the market. Let me sell directly at market price. I already have 361 Turkish lira worth of Bitcoin. If I sell it on the market, let's sell 100 Turkish lira of it. You don't have to buy Bitcoin worth 1,000 lira, 5,000 lira, 50,000 lira, or 2 million lira. You can even buy it for 50 lira. Now I will sell 85 lira worth of Bitcoin, friends. Since I clicked on the market, my order was executed immediately. Look, let's refresh this. Look, a portion of the Bitcoin was sold and the Turkish lira increased. I came back to the market and I came back to the buy-sell section. I will sell from the limit. When will we use this? I have bought Bitcoin and I have a profit target. I say, if Bitcoin reaches 2,500,000 Turkish lira, sell my Bitcoins, brother, and let me make a profit. How much of it? I will sell 100% of it. I have placed the order. And my order has successfully gone through below, friends. Here, we are showing how to trade using limit and market orders. My order might stay open below, it's not important. But let's cancel it to avoid confusion. Now let's move on and take a look at altcoins. I came to the TriPair again. For example, let's look at Binance's own coin, BNB. I came to the BNB TriPair and clicked on it. And I'm adding my favorites from the top right. If you're going to trade this frequently, it makes sense to add it to your favorites. And I'm going to look at buying some. Here, I'll show it directly from the market. This way, you will see how to buy altcoins. Currently, the price of one BNB is 19,000 Turkish lira, my friends. So, we came here and bought BNB with 26% of our money and placed an order. Look, I'm coming to my wallet and scrolling down the page. I had Turkish lira, I had Bitcoin, and now I also have BNB. We have seen buying altcoins. To sell, look at the limit, not the market. Set a target, sell at the limit. For instant transactions, sell from the market. Let's say I trust BNB and I will sell all of it when it reaches 25,000 Turkish lira. This way, friends, you can also place orders. I placed my order like this, friends. This one entered as an open order, it didn't execute. Why? Because the price needs to reach that level. Up to this point, everything is clear. I also cancelled this order. Friends, there is a stop limit. I will explain this in future videos as it's complicated. First, you need to learn about crypto. Now, we have learned how to buy and sell with BNB. We have learned how to buy and sell Bitcoin and altcoins. These are in the bag. But we are doing all of this with the Turkish lira. So far, everything is great. By the way, the video you are currently watching is a prize video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the pinned comment and tweet will win 600 teraliters from us. This is a common question. Should I buy or sell Bitcoin with dollars or Turkish lira at this moment? Now, to help you understand this, I'll ask you this question. Let's say you're going to buy a car and its price is 600,000 Turkish lira. And at that moment, you have $20,000. You ask the person, can I buy this car from you? $20,000 equals 600,000 Turkish lira. $20,000, is it okay instead of 600,000 Turkish lira? The man said it would be fine as he also needs dollars. Take the car, give the money, and now you have a car. It doesn't change whether you buy the same car with Turkish lira or dollars. In the end, you have one car. So, you can buy Bitcoin with Turkish lira or with dollars. If you have Turkish lira, you can buy it with Turkish lira. If you have Tether or dollars, you can buy it with dollars. Nothing changes. When selling, if you need Turkish lira, you can sell it for Turkish lira. But if you wait for a while and plan to buy a different altcoin, you can sell it for dollars. So we can do this. You can buy with Turkish lira and sell for dollars, or buy with dollars and sell for Turkish lira. It never changes. In the end, you end up with, for example, 1 Bitcoin or 2 BNB. We understand this so far. So what is this Tether? Friends, is Tether a digital dollar? You can think of it as a crypto dollar. It is the blockchain version of the dollar. There is a company called Bitfinex. They say that for every dollar you send them, they will issue you 1 Tether. Exchanges use this. It seems more practical. You can think of Tether as a crypto dollar. For now, 1 Tether equals $1. So far, so good. Now, I will convert the Turkish lira I deposited here into crypto dollar and use the crypto dollar for shopping. Why? Because we can't send Turkish lira when transferring to different exchanges, for example, Global Binance, we send it as Tether. Therefore, it is also important to learn how to send it as Tether here. Now, I will show you what we will do for that. By the way, we are planting a tree for each of our videos. We are planting a tree for this video as well. You already know this. Our goal is to reduce the carbon footprint. We also share these on Twitter, my friends. Now, I've come to the TR section because I will buy again with TR. Look, what's at the top? USDT. That is Tether. I clicked on buy. It's currently $33.20. It won't be the exact same price as the Grand Bazaar, because sometimes when the Grand Bazaar is closed, we can still trade here. It sounds like a joke, but it's true. For example, we can trade here even at 2 a.m. If there is a high demand at night, the price might be high. Or if everyone suddenly decides to sell dollars, the price might appear low. What are we going to do, friends? I'm in the buy section. You can buy from the market. I want to convert half of my money to dollars. I clicked on buy. I refreshed my page. I'm going to the wallet. I refreshed this as well. Look, I have now converted half or a portion of my Turkish lira to dollars. I have approximately $12 here. Now I can buy bitcoins and altcoins with dollars. I'm back in the markets again. This time, I'm not in the try section. I'm in the USDT section. And look, there's the Bitcoin USDT pair. I clicked on it and it was already in my favorites. Binance automatically favorited it on my phone. By the way, our Bitcoin is also dropping. It goes up and down, very unstable. I click on the buy section. The same logic applies. Buy at limit or market price. If you need to buy quickly, you can buy at market price. If you set a target and it drops below, you can buy from the limit, my friend. So I came to the market. Let me buy Bitcoin with half of my dollars here. I entered my order again, and I'm refreshing the page. Look what happened again. I bought Bitcoin. Whether I buy Turkish lira or dollars, nothing changes. In the end, I still end up buying Bitcoin. Now it says estimated value above. I have 1400 Turkish lira, but this shows the value of all my assets in Turkish lira. If you want, I can click here. Tell me in terms of USDT, I have an asset equivalent to $42.91. If you want, I can convert it to Bitcoin. Since we are using BinanceTR, it makes sense to convert to Turkish lira, of course. For example, friends, I will sell my Bitcoins. I went to BTCTR, said sell, and sold a large portion of it. I came to the wallet. There's 20 Turkish lira worth of Bitcoin left. We can sell 30 Turkish lira worth of milk. There's 20 Turkish lira left. Sometimes in the future, we will be trading so much that I'm showing you a tip. These will be left in between. We will have assets worth 5 teraliters, 10 teraliters, 20 teraliters left. For this, look here, it says, convert small balance to BNB. We click on this. Look, right now the small amount of USDT is also visible, but I only want to convert Bitcoin. I clicked on Bitcoin at the top. I said convert. And in return, it will convert this to BNB. I confirm. And my history is also visible. This has now been converted to BNB. And this way, I don't see those small unnecessary coins worth 3, 5 Turkish lira that I've already sold. This is our first key point. Second, we pay a commission. It's a very low commission. In fact, BinanceTR has the lowest commission among exchanges in Turkey. Now, we registered through a referral to reduce the commission. 1. Second, what else can we do? We can use BNB. If you have BNB, BinanceTR offers you a discount on commissions. This is an advantage. So if you keep 50 lira or 100 lira worth of BNB there, you will pay less or even much less commission. I went back to the page again. There are sections like convert or auto invest. We will cover these in the future. These are the things you need right now, friends. For example, there is staking where you will earn passive income. I will explain this in the upcoming sections. But we have learned the things we need right now. What were these? We saw how to buy Bitcoin with our Turkish lira, how to buy altcoins, and how to sell them. In English, we call buying and selling something trading, but it has also made its way into Turkish. They say to trade. What else did we see? We saw the digital dollar, that is USDT. We saw Tether. There are other stable versions of it as well. Currently, the most well-known is Tether, so I explained Tether, and Binance uses Tether. But there is USDC, there is FTUSD, there are many versions of this. Every company is creating its own stable dollar. And we have seen how to buy Bitcoin and altcoins with this stable dollar, Tether. Now, in the next video, the real big event begins. We will move on to global Binance. And we will deposit the money. We will do this with Tether. There are many more cryptocurrencies on BinanceTR, friends. I will explain how we can access them. And I will quickly explain how to open our global Binance account. I ask you to ask anything that comes to mind, and this is a very labor-intensive educational series. Give us interactive support. If a friend of yours is curious about crypto, you can send them this playlist series. Because this playlist series will be a success book for you. Many people said to put this playlist series on Udemy, you will make money. I said no, education should be accessible and of high quality. That's why I wanted to put it on YouTube. I hope it is useful for you as well. Friends, you can also follow me on Twitter. I share many great opportunities there. I post important developments and updates about crypto here. Twitter is very important. Don't forget to follow us. We are also on Instagram. Of course, you can follow us on Instagram as well. The next video is important. See you there.